What y'all doing over there? Oh yeah, you gonna run over me, huh? These two little calves wanting to play. The weather's changing now. It was raining early this morning, now it's gonna get cold. So they're all hyperactive. Come on. Come on. Don't look at me like that. Oh, I ain't gonna eat you. These cows here, took them over to the tree line to get them out of the wind. Temperature's dropping now. There's another calf. There's about 16, 18 calves over here with this herd. Oh, he's gonna sneak up behind me when I wasn't looking. You gonna get me? I wish I could run that fast. What you supposed doing? He thinks he's tough. Hey, Big Red. Here, you want a cookie? Don't bite my fingers. Oh, you's a good girl. Little Red thinks I'm her mama, 'cause I delivered her and her mother died later.